Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nur Fatimah Zahra. I'm from class 1A Marketing Management. I want to presentation about consumer behavior. In this, we have 6 content. The first is role of consumer. Second, consumer as individuals. Third, factor affecting consumer behavior. 4. Consumer behavior research report. 5. Use of consumer behavior, and the last, the role of consumer behavior in marketing strategy. First, the role of consumer. Each manufacturer must provide a variety of goods and services so that every consumer can choose more selectively of goods based on price rather than quality. In more detail, the role of consumer has roles such as: first, consumer as user of goods or services produced by manufacturer. Second, consumer as motivator for the company activities. Third, consumer can create a multiplier effect in the creation of an increase in a country national income. Well, in the role of consumer, there are also actors from consumer, namely, first, consumer household. Provide production factors such as human, resource, capital, land or land funds. Second, government household. As manufacturer, consumer and controller of. The third, overseas communities. Export and import activities of the government can obtain foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is one of the source of opinion from the country. The last is household manufacturer. As manufacturer household, manufacturer play a role in producing goods or services. As consumer household, manufacturers play a role in consuming product factor. The next is consumer as individual. Individual consumer purchase goods and services for their own use, for example, buying clothes, shoes, and soap. In the context of goods and services purchased then used directly by individuals, often referred to as end weavers or end consumer. The next is factor affecting consumer behavior. According to Kotler and Armstrong, there are several things that can shape purchasing decision, among others. First, a cultural consisting of culture, subculture, and social class. Second, social consisting of reference groups, families, and roles and status. Third, personal consisting of each and stage of life cycle as well as personality and self-concept. And last, psychological, which consists of motivation, perception, learning, as well as thirst and attitude. Next is consumer research. There are 3 points. First, interpretive approach. This approach is an approach that addresses in depth the fundamental of consumer behavior. The second is traditional approach based on the theory and method of cognitive, social, and behavioral psychology and sociology. This approach uses field studies in the form of experiments supported by survey with the aim of testing research hypotheses related to theory. The third is marketing science approach based on the theory and method of economics and statistics. Research in this approach uses the development of the theory of Abraham Maslow, namely the theory of hierarchy of needs Maslow. Next, consumer behavior is the process and activity when a person is related to the search, selection, purchase, use, and evaluation of products and services in order to meet end needs and desires. Consumer behavior, there are several kinds of. First, to understand the difference of each consumer group. Second, retaining consumer. Third, designing appropriate marketing programs. Fourth, to predict market trends. 5. To increase competitive with competitor. 6. To improve customer service. Next, the role of consumer behavior in marketing strategies. There are 3.2. First, the main objective behind product marketing is to meet consumer demand and desire. Consumer behavior studies help to achieve this goal because consumers are the most important people for sales staff, even the company itself. Second, to design best products or services that fully meet the needs and demand of consumers. To decide where the service or product will be available for easy access to consumers. Determine the prices at which the consumer will be ready to purchase that product or service. The last is to find out the best promotional method that will prove effective to entice customer to buy product, understand why, when, how, what, and other factors influence purchasing decision from customers. Thank you guys for your attention. Goodbye. See you in the next video.